Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to make your product description collapsible in Shopify without using an app. This is my Shopify store product page, and as you can see, my description is long. How to make all of this text collapsible under a tab called, for example, description. It's simple. First, visit shopify.com, click on login to log into your Shopify account. Now below sales channels, click on Shopify or on online store and select themes. And next to your current theme, click on these three dots and click on select edit code. Now locate this theme file called main-product.liquid. This is it. Click on it to open it. Now click on the code you see like if you are going to edit it, and hit Command F if you are on a Mac or Control F if you are on a PC. And now search for blocks and hit next and scroll down a little bit, and after this sentence, which is case block.type, click at the end of this sentence and hit enter multiple times to create empty lines. Now go to my website, this article, how to make your product description collapsible in Shopify, and copy this code. It's called collapsible description code. Now return to Shopify and paste your copied code here. This is the first step. Now click on next multiple times, I think 2 times, till you see blocks, this word blocks between two quotes. Click at the end of this line and hit enter multiple times and return to, and let's do the same thing. And now instead of copying the first code, copy the second one, starting from the top to the bottom, just like that. Copy it, return to Shopify and paste it below blocks, below this line which has the word blocks between two quotes, just like that. Now click on save to save your changes. Now let's switch to the theme editor. To do that, click on these 3 dots and select customize theme. Now click on one of your store products to switch from the home page to the product page. And this is your current long description. To remove it, click on next to description below template, and next to description click on this bin icon. As you can see, the description is no more existing, and let's add our collapsible description. Click on add block and not on add section. Make sure here that you click on add block and select collapsible description. Click on it. Let's place it below the buy button, and as you can see, now we have our collapsible description. Don't forget to hit save again. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Don't forget to hit save again. And now this is my current, or yes, this is my long description. And when I refresh this page, I should see the collapsible description. And this is the same description in uncollapsible item. And this is how to make your product description collapsible in Shopify without an app. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.